Maybe not at Stacy's. Don't know why my heart's been racing, cause the whole school thinks we're gonna hit first base. She's coming back from her journey, told me to study for biology, cause she wants to show me how to get an A. But I got a secret, I must admit, it's not her lips I want to kiss. She's not the reason for the bruises round my neck. Every weekend I'm sneaking out through the window of her house, and the truth is, it ain't Stacy I undressed. How do I find the words to tell her I hooked up with Stacy's brother? Oh, 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 Stacy, here's the truth, and I don't want to seem rude. You're not the only one on my mind. I wanna be best friends, but I don't want to pretend. The way that I behaved is a crime. Oh, Stacy, I gotta tell ya, I'm in love with your big brother. Oh.